Welcome to the second video in our three-part series about cooking for one. Now that you've learned how to make new dishes, how do you best use what you've made? It can be easy to modify new recipes and avoid food boredom if you know what you're working with and have a little creativity. Putting a notepad by the fridge or the pantry may help you keep track of all the meals you've prepared, and you'll know what's available when your stomach is growling. Try keeping staple items like pasta, beans, eggs, and frozen fruits and veggies on hand. They go great in a variety of dishes. For example, eggs can be used in omelets, stir-fries, or sandwiches. Leftovers can be more fun than you think. Try using extra leftover ingredients in new recipes or repurposing yesterday's meal into a whole new creation. Using last night's chicken to make a stir-fry puts a new twist on leftovers, and it helps reduce food waste. Not only are you saving food, you're also avoiding food boredom by using different flavors in your new meal. You can save money and food by making what you have go a long way. Now we've covered practices for planning meals and using food when you're cooking for one person. Click here to tune into our final video in our Cooking for One series, How to Have Fun with Your Cooking.